Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to plant curry leaves from curry leaf stem. So let's get started today's video. So friends, please comment down below for the next upcoming video. Take a mug and fill with some water and aloe vera pieces. For the leaves part, we have to cut cross of the stem. And for the root system, we have to cut straight. You can wear aloe vera gel also in mug. So like this, cut all your stems. Mix our soil with cocopeat, vermicompost and garden soil. As I said in my gardening tour, and we are going to plant them. So if you not watched my gardening tour, I'll give the link in the description below. Planting, it looks like this. And excess water of aloe vera, you can pour them with aloe vera pieces also. Why? Because we are putting aloe vera in that, because of the plant do not get diseases. So for one day we have to keep in a shadow place. After a day you can keep in a very sunny spot. So after a few days you can see the leaves have grown. So if you like this video, please like. For the next upcoming video, please stay tuned.